well, as it turns out, this is part 3 of this silly nonsense. And what I was about to show you, or what I was trying to show you, was that I have these little things that are really not postcards, but they're like postcards. But the cute thing is I actually had some honest-to-goodness stamps from, I don't know if that's from France or if that's someone in Africa celebrating France. I'm not sure. I think it's a French stamp celebrating Africa. But that stamp pretty clearly looks like it might be a French stamp. Anyway, those are the real deal. They really are. They were from Dennis's folks. Had some old stamps that they wondered if I could ever find any value, and I never. Well, apparently this is how the value as little additions to their son's daughter-in-law's junk journal, which I wouldn't call it a junk journal, but something as nice as those old stamps from those folks. But they went on. They're kind of cute. So this is just, like I said, this is just me having fun, making something that's sort of like a memento. You know, you're thinking of someone, and if they've got a birthday, and they can have fun with this, or put it on a shelf and laugh, or write things down, or put a memory, or stick out whatever. Oh, and I'll show you something else, because in the interim here, while we were down in between all these different attempts to put this video together, it's just a bunch of papers, just a bunch of little papers put together. Today I'm feeling, I added something to the front of it, and what am I grateful for today? Okay, a couple of tags. Write some thoughts down if you have some thoughts you want to write down. Kind of a holiday theme. Here we go. October themed. Her birthday is October. That's kind of kind of fall sort of looking thing. More owls. And we're just about to the end. We call it a tuck spot. It's called a tuck spot. Yes. And then there's this last page that says it was handmade with love. Because it was. While I was in between videos 1, 2, and 3 here today, I also added this little charm. It's kind of like a bookmark. It could be just junk journal jewelry. And it's a little dingle-dangly thing. And it's attached, so it could be a bookmark. If there's a need a bookmark, there's a bookmark. Whoa, everything fell. There's a bookmark. So there you have it. She'll have it tomorrow, and hopefully she'll have some fun with it, and she'll know that I was thinking of her anyway. So I hope to make more. I intend to make some for probably just about everybody that wants one, I guess, but it's going to be a slower process, though I might gain some speed as I go, because this one took about, well, I don't know how long it took, but I'm getting a little bit better at it, and I'm learning as I go, and I'm having fun in the process. So that's the current little fun thing. I'll see you soon.